After installing a remanufactured fuser unit in Minolta copiers, the image may not be fused properly. This is a problem that can be easily eliminated by adjusting the temperature, which will restore the correct print quality. On the panel, select the Counter tab and display the numeric keypad. Use a special key combination to enter service mode. If you have a password set, you probably need to enter it now. I don't have a password because it's a waste of time. In the Service menu, go to the Machine tab, which will allow you to access additional functions displayed on the right. In the New menu, press the Fusion Temperature tab to go to the Fuser Temperature control panel. Select the type of paper loaded into your copier. You can choose from standard paper, thick paper, and other options, the exact selection of which is up to you. If a new or remanufactured fuser unit is having trouble fusing the image correctly and is causing it to smudge, we recommend increasing the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius. Pressing the plus button once increases the temperature by 5 degrees, so press it twice. In the upper left corner, the value has changed from 0 to 5, so you need to click again. Each printer operates in different conditions, uses different toners, and works in a different environment, so we cannot accurately predict whether increasing the temperature by 5 degrees will be enough, or whether it will be necessary to increase it by 10 degrees. Most often, an increase of 10 degrees Celsius is effective. However, it is worth verifying this in the conditions of your office.